Hi guys, my name is Shreya. Welcome to my YouTube channel. It's an amazing sunny Saturday morning here and I am really excited to get started with the dance tutorial. I promised you in the last video I am going to do a dance tutorial on one of the most famous TikTok dance challenges and I am really pumped up to get started. So are you guys ready? Let's dive in. So let's get started. I'm going to break the entire song in 12 steps for you, so it will be really easy for you to catch up. Let's get started with step 1. You take your hands in fist, you place your left hand over your chest and you take your right hand and you drag it all the way down to your left elbow and you drag it back up. Okay, we'll do it again. Left hand into a fist across your chest, right hand over your left hand like an axe. And then you drag your right hand down to your left elbow and then drag it back up. When you're doing this, the one thing you need to focus on is your chest. It's the action that poof. So what you're going to do is 1. Okay, you're going to bring out your chest. Okay, that is step 1. For step 2, when you finish here, you're going to take your right hand, cover an entire circle and come in front. While your left hand just goes from here to here. Okay? So you go step 2. Whoop. I'm a savage. That's the beat. Now we put both the hands in fist. Squat a bit. Bring them close to our hips. And we are going to sway our hips to just left one time and right one time. So we go left and right. Remember to sway your hips. Your hips, not your shoulders. So we do it again. We finish here. Step 3, left and right. Sway as nicely as you can. Really quick. Okay. Step 4 is we switch our entire body towards right. Here, when we switch our body to the right, we are going to put our right hand over our head. Our left hand is going to go cover a motion. Like this, circular. Okay, so what we do is we finish here. Step 2, step 3 is left, right. Step 4 towards your right. Right hand goes behind your head, left hand is going to go cover a circle when you're going to bend your knees and you do a hit. Okay, that's step 4. We want to do that again. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4 is a bit big, but it's really quick. It's not this slow when you're actually doing it, so you won't get that lag with what you have when you're doing this. It's really quick. Even if you don't want to go down completely, it's fine. You can just do this and give it a. So step 5 is from this position, you move to your front, you face to the front, and then you put your left hand in your shoulder level and you give a hit like this. It's in your shoulder level, so you hit this and you go give a wave. Okay, so hit and a wave. Cool. So moving on, and you go nasty. So when you go, you can either go nasty, you can do a wave for nasty, and your hand goes nasty. Okay, nasty. That's step 6. I'm going to do a recap from step 1. 1, 2, sway, sway, to your right, bend down, hit. Step 5, wave, and then wave for nasty. Again, you can, if you don't want to do a wave, you can just go in front and then bend back. Nasty. Cool? We finished at step 6 here. Or you can do it here, whichever is suitable for you. From here we're gonna go. Step 7 is you're gonna cross your hands in front of you. Cross your hands away, like whoosh, whoosh. Okay, that's step 7. Step 8 is this. You do whatever facial expressions that you want when you're doing the step. So we finish step 6. You do a wave and a hand goes over it. Step 7 is move your hands away from your body. Step 7, step 8, and step 9. From here you go 1, 2, shimmy, shimmy. Okay, it's really quick. Move your body to your right and bend your knee a bit. So 1, 2, shimmy forward, shimmy backward. To all who don't know how to shimmy, you just move your hands to your side, take your shoulder ahead and shake your shoulder, and move back and shake your shoulder. When you're shaking your shoulder, your hands kind of go along with it, so just try to move your hands more. Shimmy forward, shimmy backward, shimmy forward, shimmy backward. Step 9. Shimmy right, shimmy forward, shimmy backward. Cool. From here, we take our left hand, moving into step 10. We are almost closing towards the end of the dance video. So from here, we take our left hand, do a cross. 1, 2. When you're doing the cross, it's really quick. So you go 1 and 2. When your hand goes towards your right, your body should sway to right. When it's coming back, sway to left. So 1, 2, 1, 2. That is step number 10. Step number 11 is a bit tricky, but I'm going to break it down for you. So take your hands in front of you like this. If you can see, they're on top of each other like this. Step 1 after doing this is 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So clap, slap, clap, slap. Clap, slap, clap, slap. Okay? It's really fast. It's really fast. It's really, really quick. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's step 11. And step 12 is put your hands in fist in front of you like this. Bend a bit and you're going to swing. I'm a savage. You can point your thumb towards you. I'm a savage. Okay? Keep doing that. We're going to go over the entire 12 steps without music first, and then we'll go and try it with music. Okay? So 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So we are going to go over with the entire dance tutorial now with music, and let's see how we get on. I'm going to play some music now. Are you guys ready? 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm a savage. Classy, bougie, ratchet. Sassy, moody, nasty. I get stupid. What's happening? What's happening? I'm a savage. I hope you guys enjoyed the dance tutorial, and I hope you found it easy as well. And do let me know in the comment section if you have any suggestions on what my next dance tutorial should be. I am open to suggestions, and thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.